measure stamps. This is a 500 rupees stamp, this is 200 rupees stamp, this is 500, this is 75 India's, and this is 60 number is there, this is 200 is there. Look at these interesting stamps. Have you looked? देख लिया आपने अच्छे से?
हाँ.
देखो यहाँ पे टाइगर बना हुआ है, यहाँ कुछ ठेला बना हुआ है, यहाँ कुछ लोग खड़े हैं, औरतें खड़ी हैं. इससे नंबर also given. See, Usha, A is here, B here, C here, D here, E here, and F here. Look at these interesting stamps. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp a cover? What is the question? You have not understood, right?
Yes.
Understood, not understood.
Not understood.
So what is the question is asking? First we have to see the squares of 1 centimeter. Squares of usually how many squares? And what is the square? Squares of 1 centimeter. If I say square of 1 centimeter, I'll draw here, Abhisha. This is, you can say, 1 square. It's not exactly square,
Let
but
me draw.
just guess. No. Leave it, Abhisha. For example, this one, okay? This is 1 square you take. 1 centimeter. This is also 1 centimeter. This side. Here also 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter. All sides are of 1 centimeter. Right? So this is called 1 centimeter. Okay?
Means squares are called 1 centimeter. In there are other name. Means squares other name is 1 centimeter.
No. Other name of square is not 1 centimeter. See, square can be in different size. So one size is 1 centimeter. I can make it square of 2 centimeter. I can make it square of 2 centimeter. Here also 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. So it can be different shapes or shapes.
Okay.
Squares. So what is the question is 1 centimeter. See this box, no? 1 dot here, 1 dot here, 1 dot here, 1 dot here. I will say here 1 dot here, 1 dot here, 1 dot here. So this is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. So this is called 1 square or 1 centimeter. These are all equal, right? This is also same, right?
Right.
So the question is, how many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp a cover? मतलब कि ये स्क्वायर स्टैम्प है, एक ए है, तो इस ए स्टैम्प में कितने स्क्वायर आते हैं 1 सेंटीमीटर के? ऐसे में
6 multiply by 3.
है.
पहले मैंने स्क्वायर्स को काउंट करना है, इनकी लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ काउंट करना है, फिर उन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करना है.
No, you have to count only. The question is how many squares. So that means you have to count how many squares. How many squares of 1 centimeter? 1 centimeter means this box, one box. This one box is 1 square. So how many? In a simple way, I can say how many boxes are there in this one is stamp.
Yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18.
How do you counted everything, right?
Yes.
But you could have done it straight way. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
That's
6.
what I was saying.
6 this side and 3 this side. 1, 2, and 3. This side 6, this side 3. You multiply 6 into 3, you will get 18.
Yes. You will get 18. So 18 is the answer.
Did you do this way?
No.
You counted all numbers, right? So can we write it here 18?
Yes.
How many squares? 18. And stamp B?
1, 2, 8.
Yeah, you counted 8. How did you do?
Here there
Counted
is.
them?
No, I did not count. Here there is 2 and here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, as I multiplied 4 by 2, so it became 8. 4 2s are 8.
Good. Very good, Abhisha. See 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 this side and 4 this side. Okay, then 2 this side. 1 and 2. So just 1, 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 2 multiply. You will get 8. So
Yeah.
8 squares are there, right? Right or wrong?
Right.
We'll go ahead. I think this bird is saying something.
Yeah.
We'll read it.
Yes.
Stamp D covers 12 squares. Stamp D is here.
Uh,
Is it saying correctly or not? Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 is 12. 4 this
12.
side, 3 this
12.
side, 12. Right? I think he is saying correctly. This bird is saying correct. Right?
Yes.
Stamp D covers 12 squares. And the next statement what is making? Each
Each
square
square
is
is
of side 1 centimeter. That means he is telling that this each square is of side 1 centimeter. Means what is telling? This is one square. Like this, some 12 squares are there, and each side of this square is 1 centimeter. Okay, that we already understood in this question itself, right?
Yes.
So that's also fine. So the area of stamp D is 12 square centimeter. Funny, no? No? It's not funny?
Now can you read it again? I do not understand.
See this. Read this last statement of this bird.
So the
So
area.
the area of stamp D is 12 square centimeter.
Yeah,
See-
it's funny.
Funny, na? See how many squares are there?
There
12.
are 12.
And each square is side is 1 centimeter.
Yeah.
So 12 squares are there. So 12 square centimeter.
Yeah. Really.
Correct, na?
Correct.
So tell me, in this case also, this stamp A case, what is the area?
The area will be 18.
Say correctly. Complete one.
The area of stamp A will be 18.
18 next. After
And-
18. I'm
and-
reading na here. 12 square centimeter. 12 square centimeter.
18 square centimeter.
Yeah, good. So see, area generally we call measure in like this in square centimeter, right?
1 square centimeter only? What
Because-
is the degree?
No, degree we measure in angle. Degree is unit of angle. Square area always in square. And the dimension, if it is in centimeter, we have to say square centimeter. If the
Then
dimension is in meter, we have to
square
say
meter.
yeah. If the dimension
Rectangle meter?
not not rectangle meter, Avisha. Area is always called in square only.
But if the we are measuring a house in meter, then it can be in rectangle way also.
No. It's not that way. See, rectangle also some square will be there, na. Always square will be there in rectangle also. Rectangle also made of squares only, na. Just now we checked it. Just see. This rectangle is made of how many squares? 12 squares. This also 12 squares. And this also 12 squares. This also 12 squares. This also 12 squares. So every rectangle is made of some squares. Here 12 squares. What is this? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Understood, Avisha? So it will be always square centimeter or square meter or square kilometer. Understood?
Understood.
If you want to make a home of in kilometer, that will be square kilometer.
Yeah.
As you said earlier, 1000 meter multiplied by 500 meter. That was in kilometer, right?
Yes.
1000 meter means 1 kilometer and 500 meter means half kilometer. So you're making a house in kilometers. Understood or not understood, Avisha?
Understood.
So this see, I'll tell you first rule what we understood in this chapter. One is perimeter, right? Second, we understood about area. Third, we understood
Third, we understood about boundary.
boundary is like nothing but perimeter only. Third, we understood how to measure this area. What is the meter? That is square. We understood square. Square
Centimeter.
centimeter or whatever it is, meter or whatever it is, kilometer. Okay.
What? Liter?
Liter will not be, na. Is a volume. We will discuss about that also. You understood this?
Why now can why not liter?
Liter comes in volume, Avisha. It's a liquid or generally liter we measure for the liquid things. For example, you have 1 liter bottle, 1 liter of water. 1 liter of water, 1 liter of milk, huh? 1 liter of oil. So this is called measure of, we measure it in liquid only. Area we,
But Papa, volume means sound.
not that sound. Volume means, like for example, I'll give you one example. You have one bottle here, right? One bottle you have. So in this bottle, how much water do you have?
Not how much volume there, but there.
No, how much water you'll have? 1 liter. 1 liter, right?
Yeah.
That means how much it can cover. This bottle, how much it can cover. So that's called volume, area, space. Space around that. Space around
So
that.
why can't we say 18 volume?
Because here we are measuring dimension. Here dimension. Dimension in this sense is, this is one square or this one is rectangle. So this, what is the area of this rectangle? Means if I say this one, okay, if I say this one, if I measure this to this,
But Baba, if you want to measure the volume of a park and how much sound is making, then
no, it has to be covered, no? See, let me complete this one first, huh? See, suppose this is your park, this is your school park, and what is the area? You have to measure length and width.
Yeah.
But in this dimension is not coming, na? Upar se. So suppose I draw, where shall I draw? Space is not there. Here I'll draw, right? I'll rub it, okay. I'll rub it, Abhisha. Okay, I'll draw here. This is what?
Q.
Okay. Now you see this area. This one side. This one side you are measuring. That if you measure, what is the area? That you will call area. But this cube is there. Inside this some gas will be there, right? Gas will be there. Some gas will be there. Gas will be there, right? Some gas, or you can say some water will be there.
Yeah.
So that's called volume.
Okay.
Understood or not understood?
Understood. But why in a cube there would be water or volume?
No, cube, it can be in shape, this for example a box. It's a box. Shape of a cube.
But Papa, a box in the, if you put water inside a box, then it will become wet.
Yeah, let it be. What is the problem? What is the problem if you keep a water in the box? I'm not talking about paper box. It can be some iron box.
Cardboard box?
Cardboard box? No, I'm not talking about that box.
Okay.
Steel box, iron box.
Okay.
Don't play with these things, Avisha. Understood or not understood?
Understood. But is there any iron box?
Yeah, it can be. In the market, so many are there.
Okay. Next.
So this area inside whatever the content is there, so that is called volume.
That means if we put inside this clothes, then it will.
Yes. So suppose, area is one side of this cube. We can say area. We can calculate area. So for example, here only two dimensions are there: length and width. Here how many dimensions are there? Here length also there, width also there, and this dimension also there, right? So three dimensions are coming in this volume, in this cube, and in this only two dimensions: width and length. Right or wrong?
Understood.
Now this area, I think you understood.
Yeah.
That's why we call it in a square, not in a volume or whatever you are calling. Understood?
Yes.
So three things you learn. One is perimeter.
Area.
Second is
Area.
Third is area
Square centimeter.
area is
How to
measured
measure
square, whatever it is, in centimeter or meter or kilometer, right? That's how area is calculated or measured. Now we'll go next
Yes.
question. Which stamp has the biggest area? Which stamp has the biggest area? Now answer me.
Which the tiger stamp A has the biggest area.
You have to calculate. See 6 here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 3, that is 18 square centimeter here. Okay.
And now this we know that here it's 18 and
Here
then
18 and here 4 into 2, 8. Here 8 was there. And here 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
8.
3 into 2. Here 6.
6.
And here 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here 1, 2, 3.
12.
4 into 3 equal to 12. Right or wrong?
Yeah.
And here
4.
4. 2 into 2. 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2 into 2, 4.
And here 12.
Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So
You
here
had
4,
already
here
said
3.
it's 12.
So here 4 into 3 equal to 12. Understood? So biggest is this A. Right? So I'll say A. But pay attention, Avisha. I just wrote here 8. Here 6. Here 12. Here 12. And here 4. But see the difference. Here I wrote 18 square centimeter. See, square centimeter. Square centimeter, right? Right, Avisha? We can write square centimeter like this, or in short form, like we do in messages, na? In WhatsApp messages. We write in short messages along. So square centimeter we write like this. Centimeter we write centimeter, and then top we write 2. If I write like this
Then how
centimeter,
will we pronounce it?
square centimeter. We call it square centimeter. We write it like this, but we call it like this square centimeter.
Okay.
We write it like this, but call it square centimeter.
Okay.
Understood? You didn't observe I wrote it like this. So if you write it like 8, 6 or 12, 4 and 12, it is wrong. You have to write here square centimeter. Understood? 6 square centimeter. Then only it will be area. 12 square centimeter. 4 square centimeter. And here?
12 square centimeters.
Correct. Then only it will be correct. If you
Can't
write just like the number, it will be like a number only. It won't make any sense. It's just like a number only.
But Baba, why can't we call it CM2?
CM2 you want to make like see 2 I have put on the top of M. And if you want to call it CM2, it will be CM2 like this.
CM upon 2.
CM upon 2 you
2
see
upon CM.
CM upon 2 is big or square centimeter is big?
Square centimeter.
Then square centimeter is less now. Square centimeter is correct. And this 2 generally we say square, Avisha. See, if I say 2 square, generally we write 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, like that. That's why square centimeter. So square centimeter generally we write here 2 here only. Otherwise you can write like this. See, if you are getting confused with that, you just write square centimeter. Okay?
Yes.
If you are getting confused with this type of terms, just write square centimeter.
Okay.
Understood? Have you understood or not?
Yes, I understood.
So B question is, which stamp has the biggest area?
A.
A is the biggest area.
Hmm.
Understood? You answered correctly. How many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? How many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? This stamp is this A stamp. It is talking about the biggest area, biggest stamp. So how many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? Tell me, Usha.
This. What should I do?
See, question is, how many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? If you are not understood the question, you can ask me.
I have not understood.
You are not understood correctly. We will see. How many? First was how many? And squares means this is one stamp. This is one stamp A. Okay, this is one stamp A. Right? So what is asking? And squares of side 1 centimeter. And we say 1 centimeter side is this one. 1 centimeter square is this one. 1. Understood? This is one square. And if you see these doors, I explained you here, na, earlier. These doors, if I join, and it will be like a one square, and each side is 1 centimeter. So this is like this. This one square is here. One square is here, right? One square here, right or wrong? So this is one square. So what is the question is asking? How many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? Well, one side centimeter. This one square I have made for you of size 1 centimeter. Now आप बताओ कि ऐसे स्क्वायर इसमें कितने हैं? How many squares are there like this?
18.
18 squares, right?
8 square centimeters.
That is area. What you said? 18 square centimeter. That is area.
Yeah.
But here question is how many squares are there? He's asking number. Understood? You have to be very careful when you are reading the question. What is asking? If it is asking about the area, what is the area of this stamp A? Then you can say it's 18 square centimeter. But what is the question? Question is how many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? मतलब कि कितने स्क्वायर है इसमें और उस स्क्वायर के जितने की उसके की साइड क्या है 1 सेंटीमीटर 1 सेंटीमीटर साइड के स्क्वायर कितने हैं इस स्टैम्प में
1 centimeter size के square.
हाँ 1 सेंटीमीटर दिस इज आई मेड ना वन स्क्वायर
Yeah.
सो इस साइज के या फिर इस साइज के या फिर आई विल से दिस इस साइज के कितने स्क्वायर है दैट्स व्हाट इज आस्किंग हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर्स ऑफ साइड 1 सेंटीमीटर साइड तो ये हो गया ना 1 सेंटीमीटर
हाँ.
तो 1 सेंटीमीटर के का स्क्वायर कितने स्क्वायर है इसके अंदर हाउ मेनी स्क्वायर्स
1 centimeter size के 18 squares.
करेक्ट 18 स्क्वायर्स आर देयर
No, 18 है.
करेक्ट
हाँ.
काउंट कर लो ना यार 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8
अरे काउंट नहीं करना मल्टीप्लाई करना.
मल्टीप्लाई करना वेरी गुड अभिषा और मल्टीप्लाई किस किस को करना है
1 2 3 4 5 6 multiply by 3.
गुड वेरी गुड वेयर आर यू लुकिंग एट
At my book.
टेक्स्ट बुक ओके यू आर शोइंग देम
Yes, that I also have a textbook.
ओके अभिषा विल गो अहेड
Yeah.
we'll stop here on the second page only okay
Okay.
second page in the sense 35th page this 35
35.
we'll finish 2 pages of this chapter only
Second page of the chapter and in the book it's 35.
okay good we'll read next question how many is the not how many how much is the area of the biggest stamp see I asked you know before I read this question I explained about the area and number of the squares right now you have to give you have to answer it I think you understood the question
Yeah.
not
Like, answer A.
huh
The A square A.
no it's not asking the biggest stamp it's asking how biggest stamp he already asked which stamp has the biggest area question you read carefully Avisha read how much is the area of the biggest stamp and which one is the biggest stamp
18 C. मतलब A.
and what is the area of the stamp A
18 centimeters.
18
square centimeters.
Don't make mistake in this Avisha if you write 18 centimeter that will be the wrong it should be always 18 square centimeter in the area of always should be there square
Okay.
you just make a note in your mind एरिया में स्क्वायर आना ही आना है अगर आप स्क्वायर हटा के केवल सेंटीमीटर बोल दोगे या मीटर बोल दोगे वो गलत हो जाएगा अगर मैं पूछूं कि इसका कितना पेरीमीटर है now since we learned we learned perimeter area and square now tell me what is the perimeter of this stamp A this is not there may not be there in this book I'll ask you what is the perimeter of this stamp A
6 cm 3 cm 6 मतलब 18
what 18 it is a number what 18 wickets
18 centimeters
18 rotis or what 18 braids huh Tell me what.
18 centimeter.
Good. 18 centimeters. The perimeter is, where shall I write it, Avisha? Here I'll write it here.
Here.
Yeah. If I here my face will be there, or my head, and here if I write it, your face will be there. Huh? So I think I should write here only perimeter. Perimeter of the stamp A is 18 kilometer.
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Correct. It's a 18 centimeter. Correct, Avisha. You understood perimeter, area, and square area. Square centimeter, right?
Yeah, but why it was same?
Why it is same?
Yeah.
See, distance, no? Perimeter is nothing but a distance, length only. It's a length only. So you started walking from here and then went there and came back and okay? So
But
what is the distance?
But मैं CM में तो बहुत कम walking करूँगी.
वो तो तुम्हारी मर्जी है. आप CM लेते हो, किलोमीटर लेते हो, मीटर लेते हो, कितना वॉक करते हो, ट्रेडमिल पे वॉक करते हो, कितना वॉक करते हो?
बस 20 minutes.
हाँ, 20 मिनट में कितना किलोमीटर होता है, कितना सेंटीमीटर होता है, कितना मीटर होता है? Tomorrow you have to tell me, okay? So if you go around this campus, what is the perimeter you will cover?
We'll cover
In kilometer, in meter or centimeter?
kilometer.
Okay, that's it. See, here centimeter wise talking about, because this stamp A is very small. Stamps are small that you can keep in your books. Big book, what is the length you will measure? In which length you will measure? Book.
Centimeter.
Correct, not in meter, no? Do you have 1 meter book? Not in that book. Huh? 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 Do you have? No, you don't have, no? So that's what I'm telling you. That's the question you asked me, why it is in centimeter. That is the reason it is in centimeter. See, stamp, because it's small size, that's what we are telling you, centimeter. See, you measure here also centimeter, here also centimeter, here also centimeter. We added all these dimensions. We added this length, this width, this length, and this width. Then it becomes perimeter. We are not multiplying, Avisha. If you multiply these two, this one and this one, it will become an area, and then it will become square centimeter.
But if we multiply this one and this one, and with this one and this one, then we add it.
No, Avisha. Multiplication will be with a 2 dimension only. One is this dimension and another 2 dimension, second this dimension. This and this if you multiply, then only it will be area. We cannot multiply every dimension. All dimensions we cannot multiply.
I'm telling about perimeter.
Perimeter you have to add all the dimensions. That's what you did, na? That's what you told 18 centimeter. I think I have doubt you did it.
I multiplied 6 multiplied by 6, 12.
Multiply or added?
I added and multiplication is same.
How can you say?
It's a repeated. Multiplication is repeated addition.
So it's a different, na?
Yeah, but if I say that 6 plus 6.
That is addition.
Yeah, that's addition, but 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 12.
And how did you get 2?
Because I got
6 plus 6, I understand that 6 is of this dimension and 6 of this dimension. That you can say 6 plus 6 is 12. But you are telling 6, this one, and 2. From where you got 2?
I got 2 from where?
Shall I tell you?
Yes.
6 centimeter is having 2 lengths, 2 dimensions. One is here, another here. First one here and second one here. 2 are there. That's why you got 2. That's how you multiply 6 by 2.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
6 you multiply by 2, you got, and this 3 multiply by 2, you got 6. 6 plus 12, 18 centimeter you got it. Understood or not understood, Avisha?
Understood.
Completely?
Completely.
Let's go ahead.
Yes.
ये पूरा गुच्छा पुच्छा हो गया है. We'll rub it
Yes.
before we go ahead. Okay.
Yes, let me rub it.
Don't rub. What have you done, Avisha? You press. Shall I rub it?
Yeah.
Don't rub it.
Yeah.
Rub.
How to rub?
Okay. Now rub.
Why only E? 50 plus only.
Yeah, it goes away.
Why not WX?
That's how you have to learn this coding. Means if you press something here, it will do some action on this. Okay. If I call Harika and Havisha, does Havisha comes? Does Havisha come?
Yeah.
If I call, मैं अगर हरिका को बुलाता हूँ तो हविशा थोड़ी आती है.
हमेशा नहीं जी.
मैं हरिका को बुलाऊंगा तो हरिका ही आएगी ना. अगर मैं ई दबाऊंगा तो ई का एक्शन होगा. डब्लू को दबाऊंगा तो डब्लू का होगा. डब्लू को दबाने से ई का एक्शन थोड़ी हो जाएगा. अगर इरेज करना है और बता रखा है कि ई दबाने से इरेज हो जाता है. अगर मैं डब्लू दबाता हूँ और इरेज नहीं होता है, इरेज थोड़ी हो जाएगा.
सब लोग सुन रहा है.
मैं हविशा को बुलाऊं और फिर हरिका थोड़ी आ जाती है. नहीं आती है. Does she come?
No, she's too busy. I was always busy in her game.
We'll move it. I think this A we have covered. Second B also we have covered. And C will. No, don't lie. Which two stamps have the same area?
Which two stamps have?
Which two stamps have the same area? You have to tell me on this, Oisha. And very quickly you have to tell me.
This
And quickly, not
question D.
correctly
D
you have
and
to tell me.
D and F.
See, Avisha, I'm telling you again. May not be quickly, but it should be correctly. Because it is in beginning. You're learning. So it should be correct. Take your time, but it should be correct. And now you said, what did you say? Which two stamps have the same area?
D and F.
You said B.
I said D.
You said D and F. Okay, shall we calculate? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12
Square centimeter.
square centimeter. And here
Can
1,
you
2,
say
3,
square
1,
cm?
2, 3,
Can you say
4.
square cm?
Yeah, you can write that. Here also 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 12 centimeter square. Or again say,
Square centimeter.
I think better you should learn like this only. 12 square centimeter. Okay?
Okay.
So you are right, Avisha. Which two stamps have the same area? Any other stamp has same area?
No.
So which two stamps? So shall I write here D and
E.
F?
F. F is 4.
How much is the area of each of these stamps? Tell me, Avisha.
How much is the area of each of this?
I'll read it. Now tell me.
Means
I see how much is the area of each of these stamps. First question was which two stamps have the same area? You said D and F, right? Now the question is, next question is, how much is the area of each of these stamps? मतलब कि ये जो स्टैम्प है, पहले तो बता दिया ये दोनों का स्टैम्प एरिया सेम ही है, बताया ना आपने. Which two stamps have the same area? D and F. D and F have the same area. But how much is the area?
12 cm.
12 cm. You're
12
measuring
centimeter.
perimeter, huh?
12 centimeter. 12 square centimeter.
12 square centimeter. That's correct answer. How did you get 12?
Because
Huh?
1 minute. Because 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12 and
4 this one side and 3 this side.
multiply by 4 is
Here
also 12.
3 here 4. So 3 boxes are this side and 4 boxes are this side. So 3 into 4 and here 4 boxes this side and 3 this side. So 4 into 3 that is 12 centimeter. Here also 12 centimeter square. I said wrongly 12 centimeter. I said 12 square centimeter. 12 square centimeter. Okay?
But you did the
12
angle.
square centimeter.
There you wrote angle.
Angle? Where is the angle?
You should have 12 cm.
Square.
And after
12 square
that's 27599.
centimeter. Right?
Yeah.
Understood now?
Yeah.
That's what is written here, Avisha. Let's go it.
Yeah.
D.
The area
We have
of
got A, B and C. D.
The area of the smallest stamp is
Now
4
first you have to-
centimeter. 4
You
centimeter.
have to tell me
4
first
square
which one is this smallest first.
E.
E is the smallest. This
Because
is the
2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 and the length is 2.
2
and breadth.
multiplied by 2 is equal to 4.
So the answer is 4 and the others are not there. And in here the smallest one is 4. So it tells
So what is the area of the smallest stamp?
4.
What do you mean by 4? 4 kilometers?
4 square centimeter.
4 square centimeter. It should be area 4 square centimeter. If you
CM2.
If you say only just 4, that is the wrong answer. Okay, this unit, we call it unit, Avisha. Unit always should be there. Okay, we'll go ahead.
Yeah.
The difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is, now tell me the answer.
18 minus 4.
18 minus 4. 18 is a what?
18 is the area of the biggest stamp, which
And
is
what-
the diagram, which is A.
A. This is having 18 square centimeter, right? And this smallest one?
The smallest one is having 4 square.
Okay, you tell me the difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is what? Tell me.
14.
Correct. And how did you calculate? I'll explain you. See, this stamp is having this stamp A. A is biggest stamp and E is smallest stamp.
I subtracted them both.
And A is having a 18 square centimeter of area and E is having a 4 square centimeter of area. So what is the question? The difference between these two. So difference means you have to subtract it. Subtract it will be 14 centimeter square, or I can say 14 square centimeter, right? Okay, Avisha. So here what should I write?
14 square centimeter.
Okay.
Nice.
Now collect some old stamps, place them on the square grid and find their area and perimeter. Collect some old stamps, place them on the square grid and find their area and perimeter. This is the homework for you.
But I don't have any old stamp.
You have to find that, you have to collect that.
Where is that?
You have to make them. You can make it different sizes, you can make it. You are expert in making, no?
Means I have to cut some paper, draw something.
Yes, you draw like the tiger, you can draw some map of India, you can make it on Gandhiji's photo, you can draw, you can make it on some lion or what do you call that, a deer or what do you call that, it's made a thela and
I
the
can
lady,
make Harika's and
Harika's
mine
photo you can
picture.
put, the bird photo you can put, and the sun photo you can put, and that way you can make many hundred stamps you can make like this, right? So tomorrow this is your job, right? Understood?
Yeah.
So thank you so much. These 2 pages of chapter third chapter we have covered. I hope you have understood. If you understood and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon
And if you
for
want
getting
to-
more videos.
And if you want more video, if you want a notification for each video, then don't forget to press the bell icon.
Notification for
Each uploaded video.
so don't press the, so what is he saying? Don't forget to press the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and relatives so that they also can learn this chapter 3rd. Small kids will be there, 5th standard kids will be there, so they also can learn this chapter. So we'll come back with the next video with the next pages. We'll understand the next pages of this chapter. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
Bye bye, take care.
Bye bye, take care. Sweet dreams.